Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DigiLearnersPoint. In today's video, we are going to start to cover the solutions of all the questions of assignment number 1 of business statistics, which has subject code 1430 and its level is B.A, B.Com and B.B.A. And this assignment is related to semester autumn 2022. Let's move to the uh, first question of this assignment, which I am going to be solved is question number 3. Let's start reading the question number 3 and then we will solve the related requirements. Question number 3 has two parts. One is subjective and the other is numerical based, and the numerical is based on the subjective that we have explained in part A. So explain symmetric and skewed data. How can we detect whether the given data is symmetric and skewed? I'm not going to go in more detail, just I'm giving you the outlook of this part A. So symmetric is that condition where the data has mean, median and mode both all are three equal, and if there is a disturbance in three measures of center tendency, then there is a skewness. So on the basis of and this condition or postulate, we are going to detect either the data is symmetric or asymmetric. So let's move to the uh, question number uh, question number 3, part B. So part B very well explains how can you write the answer of part A of question number 3. So, student ages in the regular daytime M.B.A program and the evening programs are described below. Regular M.B.A in the morning session and evening M.B.A in the evening section, as clear from the label of the two columns or two rows. So, here is the data 23, 29, 27. 22, 24, 21, 25, 26, 27, 24, 31, 36. And similarly, engage evening M.B.A 27, 34, 30, 39, 28, 30, 34, 35, 28, 29, 34, 37. So, the first difference you have to be noticed that the students who are studying M.B.A in a regular section, at least morning section, their ages are smaller than the those students who are attending the evening section of M.B.A. It means uh, students who are attending M.B.A evening session maybe are employed person or self-employed person, or maybe they are running their own businesses. That is the reason they cannot afford to join M.B.A in the morning sessions due to their tough time schedule and business. So let's move to the solution. But before going to the solution, nothing has been clear mentioned in this part what to do with this. So on the basis of question number 3 part A, I am going to be identify which data series is symmetric and which data series is not symmetric. Maybe there is a chance that both series are asymmetric. Unsymmetric means skewed. So let's dive into the Excel sheet where I have prepared the solution. So this is the solutions, regular M.B.A and evening M.B.A. So here the data has been taken as given in the statement, but here I am going to be uh, sorted the data as per sending order. Why I have done this step? The first reason is that in order to calculate the median, it is median and mode. It is very essential step to be arrange the data in array. Array means sending or descending order. If you are strict to determine the mean, no need to be or worry to be too much worried about arranging the data in ascending or descending order. But it is good to be arrange data in descending order before going to be calculating the center dependency or center location of the data. So here the data I am sorted it here. So here is the mean. Mean is obtained by summing up all the observations and dividing by the number of observations. Number of observations are 12. Look at this. Uh, Here the number of observations is 12, which is represented by the count, and their sum is 305. So divided by 305 by the 12, we will get the mean of the series regular M.B.A, and on the same line I am going to be find out the mean of the series which is related to the evening session of M.B.A, which is equal to 385 divided by 12, and it is equal to 32.1. Now for median, I am going to use a formula here. Median is equal to D2 D11 this series, and for this series 32 and more 24 34. Further I am going to spread this diagram uh, in order to pass our comments regarding the skewness and symmetry. Look at this diagram. This is not exactly the same normal distribution curve, but it is assumed to be like a symmetrical and normal distribution curve. Here, when the mean and median and mode are consigned on one point, means all three measures of centeredness are equal. The distribution is symmetric. Symmetric means it has a bell shape with two equal sides. Point 0.5 is here and point 0.5 is there. But if more data lies is on the right hand side, it means there is a negative skewness. If more data is lied here, it means there is a positive skewness. Let's see in the explanation further. So look at this. The symmetry condition I have already explained in front of you with the other of this diagram. Now look at the skewness. When mean and median is mean greater than median, median is greater than mode, and is equal to positive. It could be like this. Median is greater than mean, and mean is greater than mode, and median is greater than mean is greater than mode for negative skewness. So look at this here. Mean and median are almost equal, but mode is less than 24, less than both the mean and median. It lies somewhere here. Somewhere here, it will reveal that the more portion of the data is lies towards the right hand side of this curve. It means it is a positively skewed or right-handed skewed. And now come to the second series, which is labeled as a term as M.B.A evening series or M.B.A evening section. Look at it. Again, mean and medians are both are equal, but here mode is mean and median is less than mode. It means mode value is less something is here. It means mode that lies on the left hand side of the distribution. It means it is negatively skewed. So I hope you will find this solution useful. If you found any mistake regarding calculation, please mention in the comment section, or if you add or if you want to add something more from your side to improve the solution, uh, please drop your comments or suggestion with logical support or justification in comment section. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.